Hello everybody, my name's Llama Joe and welcome to my channel. Alright, we are back with the Evil Within 2. Oh god, no. Sorry, I'm really sick. Ugh. Wow. I hate it. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. Oh no. Well, now that's just cruel.
What the hell is he doing to these people?
That one was moving. Nope.
This chase has been entertaining.
Yeah, I'm sure it has.
But
You
even
fucked
the
up
greatest
bastard.
entertainments must come to an end.
The girl, where is she?
I commend you for making it this far. If perseverance were an art form,
Oh
you would be
no.
a master.
Oh god, his eyes all
Perhaps
fucked.
not a Michelangelo, but a Van Gogh. At the very
Enough
least.
art school bullshit. Where is she?
The core is safe with me. I took her on his orders.
Oh shit.
But once I realized the extent of her powers, how could I possibly hand her over?
The lips, the voices are off.
More important than mere personal gain. He could never understand this.
He? Who is he?
It doesn't matter.
It's kind of entertaining actually.
He won't be around much longer. My work, however, will continue.
His eyes all. Oh no. Oh no.
Picasso had his blue period. I have entered my crimson period.
Shit. No, don't!
Behold my latest creation.
No!
Oh god. That's fucked on a lot of levels. Oh god, that's disturbing.
Beautiful. A bouquet of flesh and blood.
You sick bastard!
How
It's getting
would
like
I
further
ever
and further
touch
off.
this?
Oh god, this
I'll find
that decent life is real.
Fear is always inspiring. Nothing like the corruption of innocence to spark the fire of creation. Cannot have her. You would do nothing with her power.
I mean,
You're
you're
an
right.
uncomprehending Neanderthal. She's useless in your hands.
Yeah, but like she's my daughter boy. Oh, fuck. Oh no. Okay.
I'm coming for you, asshole.
Oh. I thought the Obscura was a. Oh damn, this is trippy. Huh. Oh, this is a mind fuck. This is cool though. This is some Inception shit right here. Oh. So you don't want the blue light to see you.
Shit.
That much is obvious. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh, nope, nope, nope. It's coming back. Ooh, I want that. Gib. Okay. Yeah, this is just like the first one with the lighthouse light. Please go. Okay. You shifted positions. That's cool, I guess. Oh. Well, alright, no going back there. Ooh, thank you. Okay, come on. We're goody. We're goody, we're goody, we're goody. Soon as that leaves that, run. Yeah. Oh, great. Fucking run! Run! Okay. That was actually pretty cool. I actually really enjoyed that.
Alright, where the fuck did you go?
Oh boy. Is there anything just, you know, just for shiggles? Anything back over in any of these curtains and drapes and whatnot? No? Nope, there isn't. Okay. Well, it was worth a look. Worth a look-see. Oh yeah, boy. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Thank you. I guess this is a good thing I keep finding syringes. Alright. Let's go ahead. Since I've got a red gel, we'll go ahead and go back in. Oh, I also have that projection slide that I never checked out. So let's go ahead and put that in and see what that looks like.
It's me, kid.
Here we go.
Good to know you're still there, Sebastian.
After Beacon, I tried to make some sense of what happened to me, but everyone said I was delusional, or hiding the truth. I started to believe that maybe they were right, that maybe I was crazy. I felt so frustrated, useless. Drinking was the only thing that killed the pain. So much time wasted. I could have tried harder. Shit.
Don't beat yourself up, Sebastian. When Mobius doesn't want to be found.
Don't make excuses for me, Kidman. I fucked up.
Look, Sebastian, this isn't the time to dwell on the past.
Yeah.
This is the time to make up for it. Self-pity is what led you to drink in the first place. You have a chance to get back what you lost. Don't lose sight of that.
Harsh, but true. You're right, Kidman. Thanks.
Okay. Alrighty. Thanks. Wait, oh, you left me a little present. Thank you. I love you, kitty. You're a sweet kitty. 3,000. I don't know if there's anything I can buy with 3,000, but it's worth looking into. I do know there's a few things with the red gel I can buy, so.
Good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you too. Okay. Well, let's look in recovery. That's 3,000. Okay. That is 12,000. That is 12,000, so that's a no-go. That's 8,000. I am gonna just use that because I want my stealth to be high as fuck. So 7,000 for that. Oh, that's, you know what? Fuck it. We'll do it. 3,000. That was 4,000. Okay. Boop. I didn't want either of that. Survive tax, that should have done more than enough damage to kill. Increase the life gauge. So yeah. I'm just gonna save up 12,000 now and just fully increase my health. Actually, sorry. I got a 12,000, 24,000. Yeah. So yeah, I'll save up 24,000. I'm not gonna spend any more until I get 24,000. Basically what I'm saying. Like, 'cause I got enough shit upgraded. You know, just in case. I'm just gonna save. I haven't gone to an actual save point in a while, so I'd rather be safe than sorry. Cool. And we're back. Back in the threshold of hell. Can't wait. So glad to be here. Love the cheery music. Oh, it's so happy. Oh, we're back here. Oh, shit. Okay. Locked, I'm assuming. Probably also out in there, yeah. Oh.
Come along. I'm waiting.
Okay.
The next piece will be amazing. The full absorption of her powers.
Oh,
the
no.
subjugation of her will. It
gonna-
will be art in every sense of the word.
He's gonna try and
But
kill her.
what is art without an audience? I need you here to make the piece complete.
Oh,
That's
God.
not how it's gonna end.
Okay. Oh. Shit is forming. We've already been here before. Oh, fuck. Is that's a med kit, ain't it? Yeah. I already have me one of those. See, they're loading me the fuck up. Like, we about to have a big fight. I can tell. Increase. Yep. Got my stamina recharge.
Come on. Show me what you've got.
Yeah, all right. Will do. Okay, that was weird. That wouldn't open before.
No more running. No more games. Agreed.
Let's fight, bitch.
You're beginning to bore me. Your death will be art. It's time to put a signature on it. You cannot hide from what you cannot see. Everyone gets lucky once.
Yep.
This is going to hurt. Oh, damn it. You're going to regret that. You can avoid me.
He's actually really fucking easy. This is a joke.
Hold still for the camera. Hold still. This will hurt. Everyone gets lucky once.
Uh-huh. Just the last one.
Avoid me.
Yes.
I've had enough of this. Here.
Oh. Oh, God.
I'll take care of you myself.
Okay. It's gotten a lot more harder now, so.
No sense in running.
Oh. Okay. That's just fucking cool.
Forever. Bleed for me. Philistine. You must suffer my hurt.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay.
Prepare to die. How much?
Alright, this got a lot harder.
Philistine. You're going to pay for that.
Okay.
Nothing left.
Woo! Alright. Oh, this got so much harder.
You myself. Stop moving, damn it.
It's not how that works,
No
but.
sense in running. Philistine.
Oh, come on! Alright.
You can't hide forever. Bleed for me. Give me your blood.
Oh, God. Woo! God damn it.
Philistine. You're going to pay for that.
Uh-huh.
Nothing left.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.
I'll take care of you myself. Stop moving, damn it.
Oh.
Sense in running. Philistine.
Okay.
Can't hide forever. Bleed for me.
Yes. 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 Oh my God, yes. Oh. That got tough towards the end. I'll admit it. That first part, honestly, was a fucking joke. Yeah, baby. Is this already the end?
I had so much left to create.
Yeah, fuck you, bitch. Shoot him in the head.
Destroyed my legacy.
Good. Shoot him in the head. Shoot him in the head.
Look at me.
Shoot him in the head.
You made me into a masterpiece. Must record it.
No, 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 no.
If only I had. Where did it go?
Okay, well, he's dead. I guess that's good. I don't think it's over, though. Because it's under his order, so who's he? And they talked about that other fucking masterpiece guy.
Still time.
Oh, no, you son of a bitch. Oh.
One last photo.
Yes. Yeah.
Lily! Don't
Oh.
be afraid, honey. It's me, Dad.
No. No, you're not. Dad is dead.
No, I'm not. Oh. Ah, shit. Lily's gone.
Honey.
Alright.
I know that's what they told you, but it's not true. Lily, please. Come out, Lily.
Oh. Come on. Come on, Lily.
You don't have to hide.
Come to Daddy. It's okay. Yep, I knew there was another bitch. Wait, is that who I think it is? Oh no, it's a woman, I think.
Come to Mother, Lily.
Oh,
I will protect you.
Myra.
Get away. You can't have her.
what the fuck? Oh no, not this thing.
Lily!
Whoa.
No!
What in the world? I see. I knew it couldn't have. I knew the game couldn't be over. I knew it. Oh, what the fuck?
Myra?
Oh, we're back in here. Okay.
I'll be out here for you. And someone else will be in there for you.
Kidman. She knew about Myra.
But she's not on your side, clearly. Ah, who the fuck is that?
Shit.
Yeah, Resident just broken. That sucks. Oh, great. Chapter 9. Yep, found him. Yeah, those two are deceased. That's unfortunate. Yeah, and he is too. Bitch. Got him. I'm glad he's dead, though, at least. Oh, that's awesome. My little collections are here. I'm sure there's a Skyrim one somewhere. I just haven't found it. Where's the happy kitty? Okay.
What is this?
Yeah, I don't like this.
Where's the mirror?
I don't like this one bit. Okay. What the fuck? What the hell?
Where is this place?
Are we in literal hell right now? Like, that's what it looks like. Ooh, what is that? I will take it. I will take it. Thanks for the gunpowder, dead corpse. I appreciate it. Seriously, this is like this is hell. We're in actual hell. Okay.
You have come for answers. I'm here to help.
I'm sure you are, Satan. Like, seriously.
What was that?
Oh, I already told you. That's the devil, boy. You don't trust a word he fucking says. I ain't about that life. Thank you for the syringe. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and use it now. Forgot I had the axe. Smoke powder, nice. Okay. Okie dokie. Well, let's go down here now, I guess. Yeah. Okay. That's cool. Yeah, I guess I don't know if I'm supposed to go in there or what, but I'm gonna grab all items from this room.
Oh, shit. Torture devices.
Ugh.
This place is almost medieval.
Yeah. Got some weird cult shit going on here. Your boy is not a fan. Okay. It's broken. Let's go through this door. Oh no, is this where I came in through? No. The River of Blood was not here before. Your boy ain't a fan of this shit. This is disturbing on a lot of levels. Okay. Well, I picked the right choice by coming in here first. Because there's nothing else here. Yeah, the River of Blood. I've always learned to trust rivers of blood. It's I mean, you know, it's what Jesus says. Is just follow the river of blood, and it'll lead you to heaven. So, we're in a good place. We're in a good place. I very much. Oh, secret hidey hole. What goodies can I find under here? Some brain goobies. Bitch, I fucking know your ass is alive. Yeah, don't even. Give me your goops. Bitch, please. Okay, this is locked. So, cool. I mean, hey, got some extra brain goopies in the process. Can't complain with that, right? Oh, this has been a fucking ride. Now I came down these stairs, right? So I need to go through here. But I hear a boy who wants to be stabbed. And, you know, in order to stab him, I gotta be sneaky. So I gotta be accommodating. It's only fair. You know, I've gotta give him what he asked for. Ugh. This place is pretty fucked. If we're gonna be honest, this is like, honestly, this is like Outlast 2 shit right here. If you guys haven't seen or played Outlast 2, I actually am probably gonna play it. Probably do a let's play of that game. Because I know some DLC is gonna come out for it at some point in time, and I'd like to play that. So, but like, it'd be kind of weird for me to play just the DLC of a game. So I want to do a whole playthrough. Okay, that's fine. Man, there's so many friggin' places to go. Like, I don't know what's the way I'm supposed to go and what's not. So I want to go the way I'm not supposed to go to collect all the items. Oh no, I didn't want to stand up. I didn't mean to hit the sprint. Oh. Old bitch is trapped in a cage. Here's the problem, though. He's got ammo that, quite frankly, I want. Okay. Harpoon bolts. I will gladly take those.
Looks like I can use this.
Oh. Well, I know what that means. I just unlocked all those motherfucking doors. Let me guess. They're all free, aren't they? Yep, they sure are. They're all single and ready to mingle. Let's go. You know, I think that's a good time to stop it. And honestly, I need a little break anyway, because my throat's killing me. And I've been recording for 2 hours straight. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. And I'll do the best I can to make it right. I'm Llama Joe, and I'll catch you guys later.